Mindset 2. Identify the big plan. Complementing your big mindset is having a big plan. Having a plan is crucial as it gives you clarity as to your priorities. To do this, on a piece of paper, write down everything you want to be, do, and have. Who do you want to be? What do you want to do? And what is it that you want to have? You may also list this down specifically for your business. Don't think, just write. Assume that money is not an issue, and if you write it down, it will be successful. So go all out for this. Pause this video, take 15 minutes, and do it now. Yes, now. Next, look at your full list and cross out goals that mean little to nothing to you personally. What I mean by that is if it doesn't excite you, move you, or scare you, cross it out because it would do little to nothing to challenge you to grow. At the end of it, you have a list of goals that truly mean something to you, and these goals are completed successfully. If they're completed successfully, your growth will be a quantum leap. To bring these goals into reality, set a time frame for that goal to be accomplished. Goals and dreams that are not acted upon are just wishes, or words and pictures on a piece of paper at best. For example, your business goal is to grow the business by 30% by setting up 3 more branches within 9 months' time. This is a measurable goal that has a quantifiable growth and a time frame for it to be achieved within. It's important for all of your goals to be quantifiable so you know your measurement of success. Next part is to take massive action. In the pursuit of taking action, you need to be mindful and self-aware of your actions. Are your actions effective and efficient? Are these actions taking you closer or further away from your goal? Track your daily actions in a productivity planner for greatest effect.